Welcome back to Grade 7 Math. This is lesson number 4.5, Probability in Sports and Games. In today's lesson, we are going to use the knowledge we have gained in this chapter to find the probability of events which can happen during a sports game or a game of chance. In the following two sample problems, we are going to use two different methods to calculate the probability. Method number 1, tree diagram. Brian and Hillary are playing a match game. In a paper bag, they place 2 green tiles and 1 blue tile. Hillary thinks that Brian has rigged the game and that there is not a fair chance to win the game. On the next slide, let's draw a tree diagram to show all of the possible outcomes. Is Hillary right? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so we start off with blue, green, green. And then from there, we need to draw some more branches. So the tree diagram shows us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 possible outcomes. There are only 2 favorable outcomes, green, green, and green, green. This means the probability of winning is 2 out of 6. So do you think Hillary is right, or is she wrong? Well, it turns out Hillary is right. Here's a scenario, and we're going to use some mental math. Jose Bautista's batting average is 300. It looks like decimal 300, but in baseball terms we say 300. So question A, what is the probability of Jose getting hit? B, what is the probability of Jose not getting hit? And how many hits on average will Jose get in 40 at-bats? So pause the video for a minute and just try working out the answers to these questions in your head, or if you want to scribble your ideas down on a piece of paper. And then when you're ready, hit the play button and we'll check our answers. Okay, so for part A, let's convert Jose's batting average to a fraction out of 10. So decimal 300, we can say 300 over 1,000, and that simplifies to 3 over 10. For part B, if Jose gets 3 hits for every 10 at-bats, let's subtract from 10. So we think 10 take away 3 equals 7. So the probability of Jose not getting hit is 7 over 10. And then for part C, let's make an equivalent fraction. So 3 over 10, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 10 times 4 is 40. Wow, that was a quick video. Okay, so we'll go over these questions in class at the start of our next class. Um, but then I'm going to give you some time to work on your own in your textbook, working on a variety of probability questions. But for now, this ends today's lesson.